Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a thrift store haul specifically for bullet journal items. This week I wanted to share how I find bullet journal items on a budget, so I went to Savers thrift store. When I got to Savers, I immediately browsed the arts and crafts section. Today I am showing you what I brought home. The first thing I picked up was this packet with a Norman Rockwell card for only $2. When I saw it, I immediately wanted to use it in a vintage theme layout. The packet contained other greeting cards, mostly with Christian themes. Another great item I found today was this packet of rubber stamps. These are great to use in a bullet journal. I was very excited about this packet containing Crayola Super Tips. In the packet, there was also a diary that reminded me so much of those I used to have as a kid. I decided to test the markers in the diary. I am so happy they all worked. I also found some post-it notes, which are always essential to keep on your desk. The last item in this haul is another packet. I wasn't sure what was in here, but I was hoping for useful pages to decorate some pages in my journal. There were also some more greeting cards with beautiful artwork. In the packet, there were a lot of these tiny white envelopes, which I think will be useful. This birdhouse card is definitely a favorite. The way the card opens is so creative. I found this green card also interesting. The Christmas tree seeds were still in the envelope. I don't know if they are still viable though. My favorite thing in this packet were these adorable animal prints. One thing I brought home that was not for journaling was this bird teacup from the glassware section. There were others I really wanted but decided on this one. Overall, I found great items to use in my bullet journal, and I believe you can too. There are great finds for affordable prices at thrift stores. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.